第4课，这个工作是他帮我介绍的。
Lesson 4. He recommended me for this job.
你好 ，Welcome to HSK Standard Course Level 2。我是你的汉语老师白露。This is the last class of Lesson 4, and this time we are going to learn some pinyin and characters. In previous lessons, we have learned the stress pattern of words with 2, 3, and 4 syllables. Okay, let's do some reviewing. 请跟我读旅游，可能，东西，窗户，收音机，电视剧，没关系，胡萝卜，怪不得，好着呢，名胜古迹，公共汽车，嘻嘻哈哈，晃晃悠悠。If you want to speak Chinese like a native speaker, the stresses in sentences are very important. Today, we will learn how to do it. Some parts of a sentence may be stressed just because of their grammatical functions, without conveying any special idea or mood. This kind of stress is called syntactic stress. Some common rules include stress on predicates, complements, attributive phrases, and adverbial phrases. First, stress on predicates. For example, 我学习汉语。他哥哥是一名医生。王小姐买了几件衣服。Second, stress on complements. For example, 他们高兴地跳了起来。大卫打篮球打得非常好。今天的羊肉做得很好吃。Okay, let's read it again. 我学习汉语。他哥哥是一名医生。王小姐买了几件衣服。他们高兴地跳了起来。大卫打篮球打得非常好。今天的羊肉做得很好吃。Let's do some practice. Listen to the audio and tell which word is stressed. 1. 他妈妈是大学老师。1. 他妈妈是大学老师。2. 大卫学习钢琴。2. 大卫学习钢琴。3. 他书法写得非常好。3. 他书法写得非常好。4. 他累得睡着了。4. 他累得睡着了。Did you get it? 非常好。Alright, let's move to the next part, Chinese characters. Here are 2 basic strokes of Chinese characters. The first one is 竖提. We can find it in 长 and min. The other stroke is 竖折折钩. In what characters you can find this stroke? Yes, 马 and 写 have it. Okay, now let's focus on some single component characters. The first one is 两. 两 originally looks like a yoke and a pair of saddles of a 2-horse carriage. It means 2 or double. Let's see how to write this character. Please pay attention to the stroke order. The second character has two pronunciations, 乐 or 乐. The traditional form 乐 takes the shape from musical instruments, referring to musical instruments or music. It is pronounced as 乐, 音乐. In the simplified form, the curved parts turn straight. Now it also means joys, pronounced as 乐, 快乐. Okay, let's read it together. Please remember the basic stroke order of writing Chinese characters is from up to bottom, from middle to sides. Okay, the last character also has two pronunciations, 长 or 长. It originally referred to an old person holding a walking stick. Now it means old, pronounced as 长, 年长. It also means long, pronounced as 长, 长江. Okay, let's read it together. Okay, let's move to today's radical part. Here are two characters. What parts of them are the same? Correct. They have the same left part. The character on the left is 结, to not. This one on the right is 给, to give. This radical comes from the character of silk, 丝. Characters with this radical are usually related to silk or fabric, such as 线, 绳, 绒. Now, the second radical. Please look at these two characters and find out the common part. Correct. They have the same left part. The character on the left is 忙, busy. And this one on the right is 快, fast, quick. Could you please try to guess the meaning of the left part? Yes, it means heart. This radical 竖心旁 comes from the character of heart, 心. In Chinese, heart has a function of thinking. So characters with this radical are usually related to emotion or mentality, such as 情, 惊, 慌. Okay, let's do some practice. Please try to find the characters with 绞丝旁 and 竖心旁. Okay, let's check the answers. 1. 绞丝旁 B. 红 C. 绿 2. 竖心旁 A. 晴 F. 西 很好。Today, we have learned the stress on predicate and complement in a sentence. We have also learned two strokes, 竖提 and 竖折折钩, and three characters, 两, 乐 and 长, and two radicals, 绞丝旁 and 竖心旁. Please try to find characters with the radicals 绞丝旁 and 竖心旁 as many as possible. That's all for lesson 4. See you next time. 再见。